Okay, welcome again to another part of table creation. We're gonna go and we're gonna make a lot of projects with it. I worked at the OWH organization in Oxfam, and they were using and they had a program to helping the local people learn English and learn computer, the tech things. So I was there helping them, and then they got and then they have given me appreciate letter in the Persian language. So in this lecture, we're gonna learn how you can make your own appreciation letter, and then get and give them or maybe approval or something else like that. So it depends on your work and it depends on your project you work. So anyway, we're not gonna focus in here to receive appreciation letter. We're gonna focus on how you can create a certificate letter or appreciation letter, and very professionally with table creation. I have seen people are creating with something different. For example, they are using only pictures and pictures, and then with text box. I know text box is good, but not as good as table. Table is very super, very high, valuable thing tool we can ever have in Microsoft Word. So let's start right now. In this thing, you can see right now I have one border, okay, and this border is brought by header and footer, and how you can create that as well in your own. So we're gonna make a new, okay, we're gonna make a new, and you can see it's portrait, so we want a landscape. So we go to design, we go to layout, orientation, landscape, and then also we want to have a narrow margins as well. So right now it's narrow margin. So I already have the border, and you have to double click on the header or footer. So I have double clicked, and now it says header, and now it says footer. And I should drag and drop the picture. Very easy. That's it. Okay, it's now 100% correct, and I can make it even bigger to fit nicer. I can make it to top and bottom, so it's completely look nice. There you go. We made it right now. And I hit escape to overcome. Now you can see it's completely very great and very stylish, and it doesn't bother me any part, and I want to write something else. So then once it's created, and then I'm gonna go to the insert and insert in here something. Now you can see it's there's you can see problems. Okay, it does create problems. So when it's like that problem, we're gonna go and create and go with pictures, and then go to here, and I'm gonna paste the link and paste it in here. So there you go. Still, it should not have any problem. And then making it like this in front of the text, I'm gonna go with behind the text. So then it's completely footer, header. So I did this behind technique, and as it's solved. So right now it's completely done, and I can see it, and I can even make it bigger to look nicer. Yeah, that's amazing. Yes, you can see that it's already made, and it's very fantastic. So we're gonna go with now. We're gonna go with the entire of these things. As you can see, I already made this with table. Okay, there's one, two, three column, and again three column, and again three column, one column, three column, one row. So we're gonna create that. Okay, one, two, three. So we're gonna create in here 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna hit tab, and then I'm gonna hit tab. So once it's done, I'm gonna make it moved, and in here, making it really in here also, merging this. So I already merged from layout, merge cells. Now it's done. Okay. But so here is the logo. I'm gonna copy the logo in sake of time. But you have your own. Paste it. Oops. I should really copy this one, not the whole thing. Copy. And then copying again. Copying again. And then this should be written there. So I'm gonna create a like rand text, okay? Rand text also is possible in here, but there's too much of it. I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna do that, okay, in here. Rand text is better. So there you go. It's a lot. I know it's a lot. That makes it really a little bit clear. Okay. So right now we made it, and I'm gonna copy some text in here as a signature. Okay. Okay, we made it. So we did it right now. As you can see, there's no border, so we're gonna make it no border. And I'm gonna go to no border at all. And then once it's done, I'm gonna make it really bigger. As you can see, it's not, as you can see, it's making itself very large. So we're gonna do that. So there you go, we made it right now. And it should look like this a little bit. And I'm gonna make it to the top bottom. And then I'm gonna also make this top bottom. Okay, we made it right now. But you can see this has various space. And this should also have no space too much. There you go, so we made it right now. So I already did, and you can also do this technique to make it really go with the border point painter. And you can draw some of it. Let's draw, for example, a border style that I want to pick up in here. Let's go with this one. Oops. And I'm gonna go to here, eraser, there's this part. And going back again. So there you go. I made completely anything I wanted. Let's go with the print preview to see. Now you can see it's completely the same as that I made, unless there's a little bit much space. So I'm gonna make that and hit enter. Okay, and I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Oops. Yeah, there you go. Oops. There you go. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So there you go. We made completely that it looks like that. and it's even better. Okay, so that's really even better right now about the certificate and appreciation letter. You'll learn how to make it with pictures and a really table. And I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna save it and give you the copy so you can understand and you can use in your own projects and make that as a submission in your own.